Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to optimize your search queries with Gemini 2.0 AI features. So I'm just open my Gemini 2.0 version app on my iOS device, and after login with your Google account and how to search for your research queries on this Gemini. So example, I will just type that create 1 minute video on music. So just tap on it, and here are the some music videos that are 1 minute long. So this is my search, and let's see how to analyze your queries. So you will just see in the top left corner of this icon of box, you will just tap on it. So here your today's queries that you can search on Gemini 2.0 version. So here are all. So number one is my recently 1 minute music videos, and my tasks, and this week task, and automating task with Gemini 2.0 weekly task reminder. So this is my all queries. So this is how you can see your queries search on Gemini. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.